وَلَقَدْ فَتَنَّا سُلَيْمَانَ وَأَلْقَيْنَا عَلَى كُرْسِيِّهِ جَسَدًا ثُمَّ أَنَابَ.
Prophet Sulaiman saw a lifeless body on his throne, and he immediately repented and praised Allah, and also supplication to Allah that Dajjal is not given the power as what is given to him. Dajjal and 70,000 Jews will rise from Isfahan, Iran. What US and Israel is doing to overthrow Iran is the direction from Dajjal. May Allah protect us from the evil Dajjal, inshallah.